Hello. In this video, I'm going to review the Zig Zag channel indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is similar to the Zig Zag indicator, except that it also shows a channel around the zigzag lines. It also shows us two numbers at the zigzag reversal points. The number in parentheses is the price change. In the last...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Leg of the zigzag in points and the number before it shows the ratio of the size of this leg, the last leg, to the previous leg. We can use this indicator for trading in such a way that when we are in the Saudi lakh zigzag, we enter a buy position when the price hits the lower line of the channel, and exit the position when it hits the upper line of the channel. Also, for the case when we are in a downward zigzag leg, we enter a sell position when the price touches the upper area of the channel, and we exit the position when it touches the lower line of the channel. Now let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the calculation period of the zigzag indicator. The more we increase the parameter, the smoother the zigzag will be, and it will show fewer changes. The next option is the channel width, which is a very important parameter to choose. We must choose this parameter based on the time frame we are in and the symbol we are trading, and its value is in points. The higher the value, the wider the channel and the smaller the zigzag changes. The next option is the font size that is used for these labels that are on the zigzag reversal points, and the next option is the font that is used for these labels. If the next option is true, it will display this channel and its lines. And if it is false, it will not show us the channel and only show us the zigzag. And the last option is the number of candles that appear in the past on the chart and how these calculations are performed. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator for MetaTrader 5. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section so we can improve the indicators.